Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Performance-wise, Julia versus Python takes a twist. Basically, projects from other languages can be written once and naively compiled in Julia, making it ideal for machine learning and data science. The time taken by Julia to execute big and complex codes is lesser to Python's.
Take our lead.
Julia is built up using multiple dispatch on type-stable functions. As a result, even the earliest versions of Julia were easy for compilers to optimize to C, Fortran efficiency. The optimization which is used to receive the fastest times for this type of problem is known as tail call optimization.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Julia code can actually be faster than typical, optimized C, Fortran code, by using techniques, metaprogramming, code generalon, that are hard in a low-level language. Type generic at high level, but low-level limited to small set of types.
Let's help you make your mark.
So perhaps a better way to answer your question is to ask is whether Julia is relatively easy to learn as a first language. The short answer to this question is yes. If you care about speed, technical computing, or want to work with odes, then Julia is a good choice. 2 September 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Julia is in practice interoperable with many languages, e.g. majority of top 10 to 20 languages in popular use. Julia's ccall keyword is used to call C exported or Fortran shared library functions individually, and packages to allow calling other languages, e.g. Python, R, MATLAB, Java or Scala.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.